Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We are back in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from OUTU School of Community Medicine. We also have Julie Bisbee. You are from TSET. We always have fun when you're around.
Yes.
She knows what she's talking about.
Well, I try.
Yeah. Today it's an Asian peanut dipping sauce.
Yes, so you might be familiar with this Thai peanut dipping sauce, or you might be even more familiar with a peanut butter and jelly sandwich after school. So we're going to change up this little after school snack and really try to utilize some fresh vegetables to try to meet that at least half of your plate with fresh vegetables every day, or fresh fruits and vegetables. And so we're just going to start out really easy with some creamy peanut butter, and this is a natural creamy peanut butter, and what that means is it doesn't have any sugar added. You can tell, or maybe you can't tell, that it has a little bit of texture to it, but it doesn't have any palm oil or any other ingredients added. It's just peanuts and salt. And then to that, we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. We're going to add some rice wine vinegar or white wine vinegar, a little bit of lime juice. And then traditionally this would have coconut milk in it, but we are actually using an oat milk because it is a little bit healthier in terms of saturated fat. And then we're going to use some sriracha, and you can get a little crazy or not crazy at all with this.
That's
a
lot of sriracha.
And then a little bit of brown sugar just for a little bit of sweetness. I know we said we went with the unsweetened peanut butter, and we're just going to give that a good stir. And so you might be familiar with this too if you ate like a cold noodle salad, or, I mean, this is a dipping sauce for many, many different preparations. So we might go with a little bit, it kind of depends on the consistency of your peanut butter, but we are going to go a little bit heavier on that oat milk, and then some cilantro. And then any manner of dipping vegetable with this. I don't know if you all can see that or not very well. You don't want it to be so thin that you can't actually dip into it. A little bit of fresh cilantro.
Always, always good.
And Julie, this falls right in line with TSET because you guys are all about healthy eating.
Yes.
And getting kids to kind of participate
Yes,
too, right?
so it's important that kids fill half their plate with fruits and vegetables, and when you know that's often a challenge, especially the after school. They come home where the Pop-Tarts or the salty sweets, they've been starving since lunch at 11 a.m. This is a really great alternative.
Okay, so
Protein
you could
and fiber.
I'm sorry. You could go a little bit thinner on that, but go ahead and give that a little taste.
Okay,
first.
Julie, you want to help me? Can we do this right here? Okay. Cheers.
Yeah.
I like it.
Very good.
Good, good.
Salty sweet.
I like the texture in the peanut butter too.
Yeah, me too.
Just a little bit of crunch.
Yeah, so if you want to use the crunchy peanut butter, definitely go ahead and do that.
Love that. All right, you're going to find this recipe and all of our other recipes on our website, Chef Val. And Julie, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.